all the 109 senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria have donated their 1 month salary amounting to 109 million naira to the victims of the drone mishap in Tudumbere, Igabi local government area of the Kaduna state. Well, this is Serious Matters here at Tonif TV. Please do share our videos or drop a comment, make them simple and simple. My name is Olukunle Abraham. Still reacting to the mishap that led to the loss of so many lives in Kaduna. The misfire of a drone that led to, killing of many and of course injuring many. Of course, at the time when that thing happened, I think about 80 of them lost their lives instantly. But then, subsequently, their toll had increased, as a result of injuries and probably people who didn't get adequate medical attention. Unfortunately, we've not been able to come off, these events. There have been many questions begging for answers, wondering why, we have more mishaps on innocent lives than we're having on the real terrorists, the Boko Haram, the bandits, and all of them. I can recall that even in Zamfara state, in that place, a lot of farmers are held hostage and not allowed to go to their farm to harvest because they have been placed on levies by bandits. And we have governors in that state. We have a president over Nigeria. And that state is one of the states over which we have a president. Well, I might not quote, but I think I agree with a conclusion by a former president, former head of state, late Sani Abacha, who said that if terrorism operates and survives a particular duration, and then, the remaining of the story. Well, the deputy president of the Senate, Senator Barau I. Jibril, announced this at the Kaduna government house when he led a high-powered delegation of the Senate to the state on Sunday. The senators were received by the state governor, Senator Uba Sani. Senator Barau, in a statement by his special advisor, Media and Publicity, Ismail Mudashir, said the money would be sent to the state governor for onward delivery to the victims. The governor thanked the senators for their donation. The Senate delegation comprising the Senate leader, Senator Michael Okpayemi Bamidele, the chief whip, Senator Ali Undume, minority leader, Senator Abba Moro, Deputy Minority Leader, Senator Kamorudin Olalere, Senator Abdul Hamid Malam Madori, Senator Aliyu Ikari Bilbis, Senator Ibrahim Bomai, Senator Ibrahim Lamido, Senator Abdulaziz Yaradua, Senator Victor Ume, Senator Muntari Dantrutse, Senator Lawa Usman, and Senator Emmanuel Dende were also at the Barao Deko Hospital to visit the victims. Well, very, very good move, Then it was a good move. I also think that if they had that visit could have been done by one person or two, and then all they spent to bring every other person put together, to add to what has been given, so that, we're able to do more. Well, at least that if 109 give their December salary, so that means they earn ₦1 million each and all of that, and they already gave the salary even before the salary was being paid. Very, very good move. You will agree with me, but then your comments are still very much welcome. Let us know what your opinions are, because my concern is more on the issue of the mishap that could have been avoided. It could have been avoided, and that's, I believe strongly, it could have been avoided. I mean, though it's not like things don't happen. Even in the civilized Western world, so to speak, they've had a lot of crashes, in recent time. I mean, jet crashes, they've had a lot of that in recent time. I mean, they had another one just yesterday. I think there was one of the US fighter jets, you know, that crashed, you know, again into the Yellow Sea. And so it's not, I mean, there are things like that happen. They happen. You cannot, but I think that we should put in more care into, you know, these things. Yes, I know it's technology, things could go wrong, and, you know, the wrong button press, take a drone to the wrong place and all of that. So, but then we should be more careful. It sends a very strong signal to, of course, the security and all of that. Thank you very much for watching. This is still Serious Matters here at ONIF TV. I want you to please do help us share our videos or drop your comment. Just help us. Drop your comment. Let us know what your opinions are. This is still Serious Matters at ONIF TV. Thank you. Bye-bye.